Hi there, I'm Vicki Parpino from Aussie Stampers. Welcome to my channel. Today I have part 2 of 25 planner hacks you need to try. And we've already done some planner hacks using a dashboard to make a pocket and somewhere to put these little sticky notes and a place to keep our beautiful gold foil and the stickers. And now I'm going to show you some of the things I've done inside my planner. Now this little darling here is a photo album. So I'm going to open it and show you. So inside there is a pocket where you can keep spare photos. This is what I'm using to keep my photos, both for my traveler's notebook that I'm doing, but also some little twinchies in here that I can use in this album itself. And then in here I have a whole pocket full of memories and more cards. And these I'm going to be using both in the planner by cutting them down smaller sizes and using them in my album as well. And I really like these because the colour of these, I think these were in the Occasions catalogue, or they might have been Celebration, I'm not sure, but I just like the colours in these. So that was cool. And then here's your photo album. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pages of these because I have bought not just the planner kit, but I've bought the refill. So this is why I'm able to have all these extra pieces in. I've now got this beautiful album, and there's the back cover. And you can see it's like a book within a book. And I love the way this has worked. I'm just going to pop that down in there so that you can't see that. You can see how lovely that is. So I have this beautiful little album in my planner. Now what I did was, and I'll show you, I'll take this off and I'll show you what I did here. I cut two pieces. This piece and this piece here were cut from the spare dashboards. Now if you get the refill kit, what you're going to find is you're going to have all these extra dashboards. You're going to get another 12 dashboards. Now you don't need them. They are extraneous to your needs because you already have the dashboards in here. And you have another year's worth of refills. Well, what I plan on doing is reusing these dashboards when I go through and put next year's inserts in. And I'm going to get 2 years out of my planner. How cool is that? But what I've done is I've just simply cut down some dashboards. So I'll give you the measurements. I put them in my trimmer. They're very easy to trim down. The measurements I cut them to were 5.5 inches by 7.25 inches, and I'll give that to you in centimetres as well. 14 centimetres by, turn him over, 18.5 centimetres. And then I took my corner rounder and just rounded the ends on two sides, and the same on the back. You can see I've rounded the corners, and that's the back. And that creates an album within your planner. So I really love that. I think it's really cute. And I want to use this for some memory keeping as well as a regular planner and a calendar and all the rest of it. So there's the first hack. This card came from the Memories and More card kit. All I did was adhere that with some Tombow multi-adhesive. And that worked really, really well. Now the other hack I've done, and I'm going to show you this today now, is I've taken another dashboard and put it right on the very back page to create a pen loop. So you can see in here I've taken another dashboard and I've adhered this using sticky strip and some gold ribbon. And here's the ribbon that I used because I thought that went so beautifully with the planner. So if you have some ribbon that you can use, that'd be fantastic. I've put my gold pen in here. Now this gold pen, I'll tell you the secret for this gold pen. This came from my Kmart haul. There were 2 of these pens for, how much were they? $5 for a box of 2. How cheap is that for beautiful pens? And I just love it. So I bought 2. When this one runs out, I have another one ready to go. Just pop that in there. That becomes your pen loop. And how I adhered this was with some tear and tape all the way around, which makes it really secure. And the length of ribbon comes out about this long. So the piece of ribbon I cut would have been about this long. There we go, about this long. I've folded it over. I've put some sticky tape underneath it, just regular old Scotch tape underneath. So that's to adhere the ribbon on the back. I've also put a little bit more on the front here just in case. I really don't want this to get pulled out any further because it's fitting perfectly now. And then adhere that down with some tear and tape. Your extra dashboard makes a place for your pen. So I want to show you how well that fits in when the book is actually closed. So if you bring over your months like this, I'll show you how good that looks. See how it fits in perfectly? It looks as though it's always meant to be there. So every planner needs a pen and a pen loop. And this planner also has a photo album inside, and it has a dashboard on the front used as a pocket. It has a place to put your sticky notes, a place to put your stickers and your gold foil. So come back for the next hack that I have. There'll be a couple of hacks in the next video, and I'm going to show you what else you can make. A place to store your stamps, a place to actually do some more hacks. I don't want to give too much away because you have to come back and see the video to see the rest. So I hope you enjoyed that today. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'd love to hear from you guys. As always, if you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe, click on that little bell, thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share it with your friends. So thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.